Alright, so you gonna tell me like you just go like I was here like serving the guests. Alright, you're the boss, right? For all inclusive resort. And I be here working and you're telling me that that's what you're gonna do? So you're gonna come and tell me that I'm need to alright. Me go tell social media and all of these people doing something right now. Alright, ladies. Alright, so that's the boss for the resort. You know, I was just over here talking to you ladies and just offering you a service. You know what he's trying to do right now? Trying to tell me I need to get off the property and go home. What did I do? I was just here like serving you a drink, right? And asking you a few questions. I was just right here. He was telling me like get off the property and go home. What did I do? Man, this is my job, bro, and I put it on social media, bro. He always try to do people that, bro. People work and people need money, bro. You don't come like that just because your boss. He's a racist guy. Why you? Alright, yo, bro. I even try to. No, don't tell me that, bro. I even try to talk to him, bro. I even try to talk to the guy. I even try to talk to him. I said, don't talk to me. No, I be working here. Alright, I just came over here to get like few glasses, right? I put it on social media.
Wait. You put it on social media, do the right thing, my bad bro. You understand what I say? Enough of them foreign people that them come to Jamaica and feel like so them can deal with Jamaicans anywhere. You understand what I say? Them look upon honor as less than. Even if them grew up there as white people and as foreigner. Them have that in them mindset, so them better than the people who inhabit the country before them come there. A lot of these people out of port look upon the people them who are nationals have to come, are native to the country like them are idiot. Enough of them foreigner is a new day in Jamaica. I want to understand that. It's a new day in Jamaica and salute to the brother here. Warrior spirit. The man and a little boy like Samauno.
Bro. Yo, the man come here and say, yo, he just come right here. He just pull up right here. He just pull up. That's them cheap people, brother. Yeah. The white guy. That's what he do. Most people work here. He just come and say, leave my property, go home. You don't belong here. Now we fucking do better. Them cheap people like shit, man. People work here, bro. Nothing, bro. He just come here, he's standing here, you standing over here talking to the lady. I just come to get like 2 dirty glasses, bro. Yo, them brother, the bomb buckler here, brother. Me a bad man, you to want him to work him. Hey, I want to you, and he gotta pay me my money today. Get my money today. That, one to you, and I ain't taking my phone off social media. I can call it every cop here. Yo, girls, was I flirting with you doing nothing a while ago? I just came to get like 2 dirty glasses and you asked me all a question. I'm like, where you from? They say, yeah, no, that's it. Argument done, I went back there, he be like, get out here, leave here. That's what I always do. Yo, I get the girl give her some stuff for her back, bro. No, we don't work like that, brother. Who is the guy who are from a Jamaica and think they have money they can fuck around to go fuck him mother, brother. I'm here, brother. You gotta pay me my money today. Bomb buckler here, brother. Today. It's a madness, yo.
Some people are say his attitude to the whole situation is a turn off. You shouldn't be acting like that. You tell me what the hell you're gonna feel if somebody just cut off your livelihood for no reason. For no reason, someone just clip your monthly earnings. He went to the women, he asked the women, was I flirting with you? Was I doing nothing extra? The woman said, no, he just come and serve you and then you're gone. What company don't want a worker to make customers feel loved, feel welcome, feel appreciated? What company don't want that? If this gentleman was in America, he'd probably get a promotion because I know those women are going to leave good reviews on how he treated them. When you have customers, you have to make them feel like the dollars they are spending is worth it. You can't just serve them drinks and allow them. When they're in America, some of the man them go to the woman, throw the back and catch it back and throw it and flick it behind them back and catch it back and throw it and shake and one bag of antics. If you keep the people them focusing, keep them amused, you're gonna fire the gentleman because he was flirting with the woman them, he was talking to the woman them, patronizing the woman them. No foul no, say him no racist, he's just classist. That next to racism is ism, prejudice. A lot of them people that were up there, sir, then look upon people who dung us, sir, like them a dog dodo. He would never speak to his white friends or somebody, a white worker like that. He would more likely bring them in the room and say, hey, you know, I didn't like what you did there, but because he saw a black man who's worth nothing, get off my property, don't come back. That's how you deal with people who you have no respect for or don't value. The way you deal with someone, tell you how you feel about them or show how you feel about them. If you had treated them with respect, you would have shown that you respected the individual. But how you came across in a situation is showing you don't value the black man. You don't value the black man. And you see the girl them face, they were repulsed. The girl them turn off. Because a white man a deal with a black man in front of a black woman like this? Wow, we probably won't come back to Jamaica. I don't know. This is not a good experience for me at the Spanish Court Hotel. Oh my.
Leave me alone, brother. I can get my money today on social media. This I go today, brother.
Yep.
Every time them bum buckler, today come here and come make piece of money, brother. They can fuck up people, brother. I want to, brother. Today. Get my money today, brother. Yo, bro, you know I be up here, man. Like the guy who only resort is a white guy. Racist motherfucker, you know? I be out here talking to like the two girls, bro. The guy he come over here. Leave my property, get off. Don't talk to me. Fuck you, brother. I'm a fucking black man, brother. That's where I come from, brother. I'm bumper well, can't tell me nothing else, brother.
Straight up.
I never know say something mad, brother.
Straight up.
Yo, I'ma put it on social media there.
I just wanted to see that. You know, see that Bob Marley statue a while ago? Rastaman Bob Marley in the video at the Spanish Court Hotel. Them high society people are shit pan Rastafari even today. And then still I use Rastafari image of promoting a bumbuckler tourism. You are disrespect the black man who is from Jamaica. Born and bred. Him sweat is Jamaican. The blood that run through him vein is Jamaican. And you're gonna deal with a G like that in front of black people. You don't value black people. You remember when the Chinese people them these are Jamaican people racist because them call them Mr. Chin. Jamaicans are racist because we call them Mr. Chin. You see how you deal with blood clot people when them coming on a wholesale. You see how you deal with blood clot people when time them are shopping on the blood clot stinking store about stale candy, about a little half dead blood clot food. These people who are foreigners in our land, they don't mean Jamaican people no good. And I think we need to get rid of this blood clot matter about out of many one people. Out of many one people blood clot, only one people are suffer. Out of many one, yes, but only one people are suffer and a black people. All of them blood clot, eye color people are coming in and blood clot reap the fruits of our labor. I buy up the blood clot place and the people them when we live in that place can't even go a beach. On a white boy, on a Chinese boy come here and deal with black people like on the things that were less than. On the day in a fluid blood clot place. Our place on the inner.
Yo, the guy just come up here, bro. I was talking to two girls. The guy just come up behind me, bro. Taking a video. You get the guy, get off the property, get off my property. Like I give a f. I don't give a f, bro. There's no way to handle nothing. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. There's no way to handle nothing, brother. That's on cheap people. I'm not have to get my money to the brother.
Yeah.
To the brother. It's a madness, brother.
Straight up.
Brother, cheap people like shit, brother. People are work here, brother. Do much work, brother. You just walk in, brother. You want disrespect people, brother. You.
Straight up.
I'm here, dog. I can tell my everyone. I'm here, brother. You must see that I'm gonna back you, man, brother. I'm the boy you gotta give me my money to the brother. To the brother. Bro. To the brother. Tell me I tell the brother. I don't give a f, brother. No.
This is not the way to handle it. And them have the black people them we are try shut him up, try getting him off the property. Those people there are also slaves. He's the only free individual there. He's the only free individual there with a backbone and a spine straighter than the blood clot North Pole, wherever. Is there a pole in North Pole? I don't know. But the dog bowl. I'ma salute him for him efforts. Them two black youth and the black woman that they are going to say, oh, you know, you're a slave. Una a slave. Una the type of slave we try to tell Pam blood clot Harriet Tubman should lead the people them away from slavery. I want to sell out blood clot Chief Taki. I want to sell out blood clot Sam Sharp and Paul Bogle. Una bossy slave. He dealt with a black brother like this, and you as a black man and a black woman are going to most way like, oh no, you need to, there's a lot of ways we can handle this. Go suck your mother.
Brother, somebody, brother, don't, listen. Maybe I've done, don't assault me, brother. Cause once you touch me, brother, if you want to touch me, brother, alright, don't try to fuck up yourself to see him, brother. Cause any man touch me today, brother, problem, brother. Me not give a f*** you, cause who him, brother, come and tell me, yo, lose weight, there's no f***ing right here. Go and wait, and get me money today. Get my f***ing money today, brother. Get my money today, brother. here, brother. Man up this side, yo, then white people that come to Jamaica and try to fuck up people and treat people like shit, brother. People that work here, do your work and you make millions and they pay people no money, brother. And they treat people like shit, brother. Just get me money, tell you, brother. Bum buckler, do you think you know where I'm brother? No, dog, I want to hear, brother. Somebody have to take a stand against them here, brother. I want to hear, dog. You have to get me shit, tell you, dog.
Yeah.
Warrior. No, me not relax, brother. And keep
Warrior.
Watch out, don't assault me. Me never touch you, don't assault me. Yo, every time people be working for these people, that's how they do, brother. They come, then treat you like shit, treat you like garbage. Get off my property. Who the f*** you think, batty boy? You feel like I want to cross to make a pussy. Batty boy. So you have money, my friend, I'm a bad man, I'm from a bad man to f***. I must feel like me if you have money.
You do all of have bad man friends still, Matty, but I like what you assist. I like what you said about bad, bro. You understand what I say? And these foreigners that come to Jamaica, or even if you're not a foreigner, I don't know who the hell that white boy there is. He's probably born in Jamaica still. But them white people and them foreigner, them Chinese people, yeah, they need to understand, say, there is no tourism without Jamaicans. We understand that. There is no Jamaican tourism without Jamaicans. So all I want to classist, I want to racist hotel owners, we need them to understand. Once you're in the tourism sector, without Jamaicans, you have no tourism. The essence is Jamaican. Everything is Jamaican. The food, the people come there to eat is Jamaican. The music they want to hear is Jamaican. And we need them to understand, so without us, there is no you. And we need the Jamaican people to understand on the power. These people need you know. They just don't want enough to know that. They don't want to give you any value because we don't want these people to think that they're that powerful enough to ruin these businesses. We're not going to make these people feel like they're that powerful enough to put up resistance. We're going to make them feel like they're less than, so whatever we do and say to them, they're going to have to take it. Matthew, I salute you. Keep cussing the bumbuckler at them and tell them for suck them mother bad, bro. You understand what I say? Jamaica, stand up. Them pussy will for suck them mother straight.
Tell me I tell you, brother. Me never touch no man can't touch me, brother. Tell me I tell you. Give up. Didn't get me money today, I'm left. If you don't get me money today, me don't give up. Tell me I tell you, get me money, brother.
Straight up.
The whole tall batty boy come go like you can't disrespect, man.
All of them black people that we are tried, them are slave.
Get me money now, I'm a leave.
Talk, Matthew.
I call the fucking police. Get me
Yeah,
money
man.
now. You get me fucking money now. Me not
No.
give up. All the time the people work, phone do be a brother. Nothing me no explain to him, brother. I just want him to touch me, because fling him off like bumbo class, but she not touch me, brother. Fuck the man, youth. No, brother, you can't tell me that,
Calm
brother.
down,
Just
where,
you
brother?
can't tell me that, brother. You can't tell me that. Me I tell you that right now.
Yeah, no problem. Just go on home until Monday we'll call you and we'll start.
No, get me money. No, brother. No, get me
Yeah,
money.
you gotta give him his paycheck now, bro.
Get me money. No, brother. Brother. That's not have no unity as black people, brother.
Talk truth.
Come by hotel, my up everybody. And the whole of the world come and associate me. Come Jaja, inch up back him. None of us not nobody, brother. The whole of the world, brother.
Straight.
You can't tell me nothing, you. Yo, this one's not touch on. Any man me not touch on, you touch me to them. I black someone in face.
Yeah, man.
Me mad,
Straight.
brother. I'm here, brother. I'm here, dog. See what, brother. She didn't say they have money, can't do brother. Brother, yo, I'm here, dog. Just using a man, me not talk, brother. Me a rebel and a social media, me a put it on, brother. You don't cheat people with work, so brother. Bumbuckler, you can't come and work and show a man have money and he have in place, you can't come tell her, go on your yard. And you all I know, so don't tell me to come up to world to brother. That me I tell you, what I know to world. None of them not full one, no unity, no brother. I'll do a run back a man and each up, me no money no brother, me no batting no brother. But that me I tell you, brother, me no hug up man, me no kiss man no brother, me do none of them things no brother. That me I tell you, brother, me a bad bumbuckler pick me brother. That's why me come look work brother, me no beg people brother, go suck him mother brother. But it's like you but fear of who? I'm here brother, madness to do already, yeah? That me I tell you, get me money now. Bumbuckler, I don't give up. Get me money now. Bumbuckler. That me I tell you, brother. Social media, every bumbuckler side me I put it on, brother. Don't f*** around, brother.
Jaja, me not gonna lie to you, the dog cause the bumbo clot them sweeter than me to blood clot. I love cause my bumbo clot and my blood clot them. You understand? I don't want nobody come tell me, oh, you have a dirty mouth. I don't give a f***. You understand what I say? Jamaicans, me need enough to have the warrior spirit they want to have towards one another, towards these foreigners and these high color people who are coming and reaping the benefits of Jamaica. Me need enough to be that rebellious against them, just as how on rebel against one another in our community. We have it right. Partner and them thing there. We have it right. But what we need to stop though, we need to stop throwing these partners for go buy foolishness. Someone want to throw a partner to be constructive and building a house, but for the one them we don't do that, we need to throw a partner and build and buy land together. Throw a partner and build something. Buy a warehouse, buy a truck, split the earnings. These people who work for Uno or Uno work for don't give a damn about Uno. And this is jobs all over the world. This is jobs in Jamaica, jobs in America, job everywhere. They do not care about you. If you die on the job, they're going to find somebody to replace you with ASAP. This brother, I saw, I respect you. You have the warrior spirit. You have the spirit of Chief Taki. I run up and down in your heart, brother. You have the spirit of Cashapp, Paul Bogle. I run up and down in your heart, brother. Jamaica, we need to start. We need to start cancel some of them people that were coming to our country and disrespect we. Them foreigner, them have to depend on our timing. You have a racist business place, you have to go leave Jamaica. Right now, no. Imagine a couple of years ago, Chinese people that said Jamaican people racist because we call you Mr. Chin. Is that racism bother you? Ignorance? Somebody saying Mr. Chin, even though your name Bing Lu. That's racism. But do we how you treat a black Jamaican is okay. But we draw the line, him calling you Mr. Chin. You can tell these people about them bumbleclad, fire them any type of way, disrespect them in front of people because they work for you. But it's racist when they call you Mr. Chin. Man, fuck someone I'm moving a bumbleclad. Someone a dark shit and if left Jamaica. Jamaica, we need to stand up and we need to have the warrior spirit that we have one time. We are fight to one another. Time for fight classism and racism. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And after that, I say, up move. Full time now, I forgot the blood cry. I'm done the video them, you know. Don't talk.